The Structural Mechanics Engineer role, part of the SIMULIAworks portfolio of simulation solutions on the 3D Experience platform, provides a comprehensive structural analysis solution for evaluating how your product will behave in real life, optimizing your product to increase its performance, and guiding your engineering decisions throughout the design process, all without having to build expensive prototypes. Extend your simulation capabilities with SOLIDWORKS by using an integrated workflow that enables you to easily save, manage, and share your design and simulation data in a secure, cloud-based platform. By leveraging industry-leading Abaqus FEA technology, you can solve the most complex physics problems reliably and efficiently, and the built-in assistant walks you through the study setup process to make it quick and easy. This drone assembly has multiple areas that need to be tested. First, let's focus on the GPS circuit board assembly and perform a random vibration analysis to predict its response to non-deterministic air turbulence loads. To reduce the setup and calculation time, you can choose the components of interest to be included in the analysis and define their properties. This includes the material definition. The material palette enables you to find, compare, and apply materials to your model with ease. Custom materials can be created when needed, and if the exact material properties are unknown, you can use the Material Calibration app to automatically generate the properties based on experimental test data, streamlining your ability to ensure the fidelity of your simulations. The tools for setting up boundary conditions like fixtures and loads, along with defining connections, fasteners, and contact conditions are available for the different study types, so you have a familiar and repeatable experience regardless of the study type. For a random vibration analysis like this, a power spectral density and acceleration base motion are applied. Automatic mesh generation speeds up the setup process. However, manual mesh methods and comprehensive quality checks are available to help ensure accurate results. When it's time to solve the study, you can choose to run the analysis locally or on the cloud and take advantage of high-performance computing resources. Once the calculation is complete, you can start reviewing and sharing the results. You can even investigate particular components throughout the frequency domain to fully understand how well the structure of the GPS system will perform. Another item of interest of the drone is the propeller. While a basic frequency study will deliver resonant frequencies, you can take it one step further with a complex frequency analysis. With this, you can identify structure instabilities where the geometry and material are nonlinear, as well as friction-induced damping. This makes it very fast to solve for these conditions compared to simulating the vibrations directly in the time domain with an explicit dynamic solver. However, for setting up a drop test of the drone, the explicit dynamic study is necessary. Like the other study types, setting up the boundary conditions is simple. An initial velocity of the drone and general contact condition is all that is necessary in this case. The snap fit assembly process for the drone cover is also a highly nonlinear and complex event. Again, this study is easily solved with the explicit dynamic study type. Similar to managing your SOLIDWORKS data on the platform, these simulation studies and their results can be accessed from anywhere, with any device, allowing you and your team to make more informed decisions faster. For nonlinear static and dynamic studies, high-speed events, drop tests, impacts, metal forming, random vibration, low-speed events like gasket compression, bolt preload, and more, the Structural Mechanics Engineer role helps you understand how your product will perform in the real world. Leverage this connected, powerful, and collaborative solution on the 3D Experience platform to improve how you bring your products to market.